Hey, this is 2015 to 2021 Forester. Now most of the Foresters got a built-in 7-inch screen right there. It's easy, and I'll show you the plug. These are the plug that you can get for this specific model, but this case it's not a 7-inch. It's got the 4.5-inch up there. So you cannot really retain this thing by just plug and play. So what you're gonna have to do, you're gonna have to run the wire. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna run 2 wire. Actually 3 if you consider that. A jack is considered as 2, an RCA jack, and a red wire. I'm gonna run it through the glove compartment right there so I can reach up there. You cannot really run through this side, it's too much work. So what I did, I used a grabber and push it through this side and grab the wire from the bottom and release. Now what I did a continuity. So I got this black one as the male of the jacks right here. That's the male, and then this is the female right there. So the white one is the female. The way the reason being is every wire is different. Every company make a different color. So I'm not gonna explain that. There's another video of mine explain how to do a continuity test on this one. So in order the aftermarket radio and aftermarket play backup cameras to work, you would need to hook up the wire to here. It's a yellow. Let you see better. There's a yellow and black wire right there. If you want to look at it right there, here's from here, next one, and the third one right there. You see a brown yellow. This is a reverse wire. So I'm gonna take this tape off and then wire this yellow wire right there that I ran it to the reverse camera from the aftermarket radio. So here's the final. If you remove the left side, you will see the white wire. The white wire is for the 6-volt, but in my case, I don't have to do any of these. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just tap it too. All you need is the RCA jack, the male plug. You wanna plug the black wire right here to this black right there. That black right there. That's all you will need. You don't need any of this other stuff because you are using 6-volt, and then this thing gonna still be plugging into this little one. So we don't need to buy any extra bypass, anything like that. So just have one wire, one male wire to it. I try to tap the negative side, which is this color right there, to it, but for some reason it cut off after I start the car. So I took it out and it seemed to be working fine right now. I'm gonna try to wait for a couple more minutes and then start the car and reverse again, see if everything works, because this system is not easy to take in and out. So here's 10 minutes later. I'm gonna put on reverse. Oh, still working, so we are good so far. But like I said, I'm gonna wait another 10 minutes.
Well, you got 2